I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and install the American Standard toilet seat. This is in the bone color. We just purchased this home. I'm going to go ahead and replace these because they weren't ours and I want a new one. Plus this one's got some scratches on it. So go ahead and take the old one off. This is going to be the new toilet seat. It's going to come with these non-skid pads. You're just going to go attach them to each side here. Super simple. They just literally click into place. Anyone can do this. There's no task, no tool needed for this part. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the bolts, but I'm going to show you how simple this is. Go ahead and flip the tops open, and you're going to take one end of the screw, and you're going to go ahead and put it in this way, and then you're going to take the other piece that comes with it, this one right here, and you're going to go underneath. Let me show you. You'll see this little plastic screw sticking out on the back here. Go ahead and attach this other piece to it. Screw it all the way up as tight as you can. This is what's going to keep that toilet seat from sliding side to side. So it's pretty major important. Go ahead and tighten them, close those lids, and voila, you've got a brand new, gorgeous looking toilet.